How to borrow money on Moneyline. Alright, let's dive into borrowing the money using Moneyline. Whether it's for an unexpected expense or just to have some extra cash on hand, here's how you can do it with the ease. First things first, open up your Moneyline app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. For this process, make sure you have linked your bank account to get started. But however, I haven't linked my bank account to Moneyline because I'm non-US resident and this video is completely for informational purposes. But as always, I'll be explaining you the process and fewer basic steps that you need to follow. Now, once you're inside, you will see this type of interface. Now, what you have to do is simply tap on the bank icon which is in bottom middle. You can see it over here. Tap on it. And then just scroll down. Here you can see Instacash advanced cash when you need it. This is where Moneyline lets you borrow your money. Let me open it first. Okay. This is where Moneyline lets you borrow the money without any interest. Yeah, you heard it right. No interest. Make sure you are inside the Instacash icon. Now follow the prompts to see how much you are eligible to borrow. Usually it depends upon your financial activity and the stability of your linked bank account. Once you know the amount, you can decide how much you want to borrow. When you are ready, hit confirm. The best part, you will get your money instantly. There is an option for expedite delivery if you need your cash ASAP. Otherwise, it's typically available into your account in a day or two. And voila, you have borrowed money seamlessly with the Moneyline. Remember, it's important to repay on time to keep your borrowing privileges healthy. So that's it for today. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and happy borrowing, and see you in the next video.